So, you're staring at your kitchen and you hate it. But what are you gonna do? This one decision could literally save you thousands of dollars or become a colossal mistake you have to live with for years. Are you going to reface your cabinets or just destroy everything and replace them? This is the #1 question people ask us, and the answer is not what you think. You're worried about spending too much money, how long you'll be washing dishes in your bathtub, and if you're making a good choice. Well, today, we are going to solve this problem for you. We're breaking down the real costs, the real timelines, and the pros and cons of both. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do. All right, let's talk about refacing. What even is it? Think of it like putting a brand new skin on your kitchen. We keep the cabinet boxes that are already on your walls, but everything you see and touch is completely new. We're talking new doors, new drawer fronts, new handles, everything. Then we wrap the old frames in a super tough finish so it all looks 100% brand new. The biggest reason to do this? It's so much cheaper. Refacing can save you 30% to 50% versus a full replacement. For a normal kitchen, that could be anywhere from $4,500 to $13,000, which is way less than what replacement costs. The other insane part is how fast it is. A pro refacing job can be done in just 2 to 5 days. That means we are in and out, and your kitchen is not a disaster zone for a month. You get a brand new look without the insane headache of a remodel. Plus, you're not throwing perfectly good cabinets into a landfill. But, and this is a gigantic but, refacing is only a cosmetic fix. It will not fix deeper problems like rotted wood or broken drawers. It also doesn't change your kitchen's layout at all. If you hate where your dishwasher is or you're dreaming of a massive pantry, refacing just traps you in the same old floor plan. Okay, now what if we just tore out the old cabinets completely and installed a brand new kitchen from nothing? The main reason to do this is total freedom. You want to move the fridge over there? Add a gigantic island for parties? Finally get deep drawers for your pots and pans? Replacement is the only way. You can fix every single annoying thing about your kitchen, not just how it looks. You get to design a kitchen with a better workflow, smarter storage, and a layout that actually works for you. This is also the best way to get something that will last forever. Good new cabinets are built to last up to 50 years, and a full remodel lets you upgrade all the plumbing and electrical while you're at it. This almost always adds way more resale value to your home, especially if you live in a place where buyers want a kitchen that is 100% done. Of course, here comes the reality check. The cost is way higher. Most projects are somewhere between $8,000 and $24,000. And if you want a custom kitchen, it goes crazy high from there. The timeline is also a huge commitment. Your kitchen will be completely gone for weeks, maybe even a couple of months. It's a massive disruption to your life. So, how do you make the final decision? It all comes down to 3 questions about your kitchen: its condition, its layout, and your budget. You should choose cabinet refacing if: first, your cabinet boxes are strong and not falling apart. Second, you don't hate your kitchen's layout. And third, your main goal is getting a crazy new look, super fast, without spending all your money. You should choose cabinet replacement if: first off, your old cabinets are damaged, weak, or just total garbage. Second, you are desperate to change the layout and make it better. And third, you have a bigger budget and you want to build the best kitchen possible that will increase your home's value. At the end of the day, there is no single best answer. The best choice is the one that's right for your home, your money, and your goals. If this video helped you, I challenge you to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos that save you from making huge mistakes. Do you still have questions? I want you to leave a comment below. We read every single one and we'll try to answer all of them.